Samsung Galaxy S9 has just been announced and we managed to get a review sample of the retail unit. Hey, what's up everyone? Join us as we unbox and see what's inside the retail packaging of the new Samsung Galaxy S9. The Galaxy S9 comes in a familiar packaging, which is almost the same as the previous Galaxy S8. Simple yet elegant box with origami-like packaging. First one out is the Galaxy S9 itself with some plastic covering with printouts. By the way, the review unit we have here is in lilac purple. Then we have the large wall charger with adaptive fast charging function. As usual, we also have the USB to Type-C port adapter. Here is the USB Type-C charging cable. And then, we have the AKG earphones with additional 2 pairs of earbuds. Lastly, we have the pin ejector here together with some documentations and warranty for the device. What's very surprising is that the box comes with a soft gel case for the Galaxy S9. We think this is the first time we've seen Samsung included a protective case along with the Galaxy S device in a long while. The gel case isn't much, but at least you get to immediately use it with a phone right after taking it out of the box. Alright, let's move on and set aside all these accessories in the box, then go ahead with booting up the Galaxy S9. Notice the plastic cover up front highlights the infinity display, the new variable aperture camera, super slow-mo, and the stereo speakers tested by AKG. Let's peel this off and proceed to do the same at the back. The serial number and NTC sticker is already here, so you know the device is ready for retail. Let's boot this up and run through the setup process. So there we go, that's our Samsung Galaxy S9 booted up for the very first time. Everything looks familiar here with the same user interface and navigation. Anyway, we're going into more details about the Galaxy S9, so let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Check out the other videos about the Galaxy S9 by clicking on the thumbnails at the end of this video.